Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Wattpad beta and we click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.